Hello. My name is Meir Martin. I am the owner and the inventor of the vacuum system machine that's clean and vacuum Oriental rug through the rug. This is not ordinary vacuum. This is not like the Hoover or Rug Doctor that you buy or rent it. No. This is a machine that calculates how much pee-pee in the rug and what have to be done to remove the pee-pee completely from your beautiful Oriental rug. Machine that show me all the pee-pee that your dog, your cats, saturate the rug with all the cleaning product that you used and all the other cleaning process the other carpet cleaner tried to remove. All of them calculate by the XpetPee vacuum machine and extract everything through the rug. By using the odor-free blended minerals from the Dead Sea that flood the rug on the top gently. This cleaning product wash the rug on the top and protect the fiber and guarantee the color will never run. This cleaning process, with the power of the extraction, the vacuum from under the rug, clean every fiber thoroughly. So nothing, not dirt, not pee-pee, not urine crystal, will be in the rug when I finish the cleaning process. The XpetPee machine and the electric box, then I build and I program it in a special way, calculate and make the decision automatically upon my experience from more than 20 years of cleaning Oriental rug. The computer will analyze how clean is the water that came from the rug and change the solution automatically. This is how I can promise to my customers in a written guarantee 100% urine odor removal permanently. Please come join me to the warehouse and listen how the machine working. In some cases, the reaction between the Dead Sea minerals and the cleaning product that the customer used and the other carpet cleaner left deep inside the rug, plus the pee-pee, will lead to reaction that's smoke the rug. The rug will be cleaned this way in a mysterious way. And after this, the cleaner from the Dead Sea washed the rug on the top and circulate. Will ensure that every fiber from every angle will receive the cleaning product, and the vacuum from under the rug will extract everything gently. We don't want to have a color run. We don't want to have any fuzziness on the rug. For this reason, we never use a scrubber. We never use a dust buster. We never use a centrifuge machine, because we are not cleaning the floor mat of front of Home Depot. We cleaning Oriental rug. An Oriental rug need a special care. How we know when we finish the cleaning process? When the tube is clear. We vacuum the rug by hand. We dry the rug on the floor. We fold the rug in a special way when it dry, and we ship it back to the customers. Guarantee no trace of urine odor. Thank you.
My